Hi everyone, I'm Cristel Villalobos from Philippines and I'm going to discuss the roots and ideology of MMM Global. So what is MMM? MMM is not a bank. MMM does not collect your money. MMM is not an online business, HYIP, investment or MLM program. MMM is a community where people help each other. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. All transferred bitcoins to another participant are your help given by your own goodwill to another one absolutely gratis. So, meaning to say, MMM Global is one of the ways on how to escape from financial slavery because of bonuses and rewards you can escape from poverty. So, the founder of Global is Mr. Sergey P. Babro. Next, the money is the main object in MMM. So, money, a medium that can be exchanged for goods and services and is used as a measure of their values on the market, including among its forms a commodity such as gold, an official issued coin or note, or a deposit in a checking account or other readily verifiable account. The official currency, coins, and negotiable paper notes issued by a government. So, money gives you freedom and choices. You can decide where and how you want to live when you have a good income or financial resources. On the on the other on the other hand, when you do not have much money, choices may be something that you cannot afford. The choices available to you may not really be choices at all. So with money, you can often rule today's materialistic world. If you have enough money, poverty will never approach you. So meaning to say, without money, you cannot start to make an account M global. So the next is, how does it work? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of graciousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. We use Bitcoin infrastructure in our transactions. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for another help. The only thing that MMM demands from its participants is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. In their transactions, MMM participants operate with Bitcoins. It is the best possible way to organize smooth transfers between participants from different countries. Like Bitcoins causes revolution in financial relations. So MMM causes revolution in social relations between people. This combination of MMM and Bitcoin ideas of fair and free financial system makes possible for us to establish significant changes in modern world. So next is the referral bonus. You get 10% from all deposits of the participant you invited. Inviting new member into community is your additional contribution to its development. But nobody forced the members of the community to invite new participants. But at the same time, understanding that MMM network can exist without developing and participants' encouragement in the form of referral bonuses motivate many people to take an active position. Next is the manager's bonus. So the of MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each donation of every participant in their structures. This is multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Manager's bonus depends on his level in the community. The next is bonus for the video in the testimonials. 5% of the sum of the help you received if there is your face in the video, and 3% if there is not. Second is, unfortunately, nobody records the video without the bonus, so we have to pay. Next is the lottery. You have to guess 6 numbers. The random number generator produces them. It takes place on Wednesdays. All participants who have mob room may participate. Well, that is, those who have contributed at least 100 rubles. It is our minimum amount or received referral bonus. Participants have the opportunity to enter 6 numbers in his PO pressing the button lottery. Those who have guessed only the first 2 numbers, only the first 3 numbers, only the first 4 numbers, only the first 5 numbers. Those who have guessed all 6 numbers, the prize found for each category is $1,000. It is divided among the winners. So that's all. Thank you for listening, guys. Together we can change the world. Truth and bye bye.